Hi, this is Salman Khan,
And this is Rashmika Mandana,
and you're watching this only on Zoom.
only on Zoom.
Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here on Zoom channel, and with me today I have the starcast of Sikandar. So join me as I welcome both of them only on Zoom. Lovely to have both of you.
Thank you.
It's been good to see the buzz which has been created of late because of Sikandar, and everyone's talking about it. The song has become very popular. Sikandar Nache. The steps have become a hook step for a lot of us. What do you have to say about it? Working with this one and how it has
No,
been
but
for you.
it's good. Can't say like, oh, really? Oh, bad. Oh, that was not our intention. No, we didn't want. Oh, no. We didn't want that song to become a big hit. And oh, hook step, so that should not have become the hook step. No, we're happy. We're really happy. Samina, we're really happy that that the hook step has been appreciated and the song has been appreciated. बस यही गाना appreciate हुआ, बाकी के भी हुए हैं.
बाकी भी जोहरा
बाकी
जमीन
भी,
शुरुआत की है
हाँ.
सब जोहरा जमीन
जी
से शुरुआत हुआ
हाँ
था
जी. तो इसमें गाने ठीक ठाक हैं. पिक्चर के बाद और भी अच्छे लगेंगे आपको. अभी एक रोमांटिक गाना रिलीज होने वाला है कल, जो कि बहुत ही कमाल का गाना है. या दैट वो पूरे पिक्चर का इमोशन वगैरह सब दर्शाएगा.
What has convinced you to be a part of A.R. Mulkudar's movie? You know, what did you like the most about this subject?
I like the plot. I like the plot a lot. I liked the way the screenplay unfolds. I liked the emotion to it. I had visualized the action, and I think the action, Kevin took it to the next level. Murgadas has directed this film really well. The emotion, the angst, the pain, the humor, everything. Now that we see the film, it all works for us, and I hope it works for the audiences too.
Rashmika, you have proven to be a lucky charm for a lot of actors out there, and even for me, touchwood in a way, basically because your reels become popular, or even the kind of movies which you're doing are crossing at the box office in terms of collections also. Working in Sikandar, and especially with Salman, and of course there's an aura around him. How it was for you?
If you were to talk about my previous films, let me promise you that it was a collective work of my directors and my producers and everyone in the team. Like this whole lucky whatever, I don't know if that is what it is.
I think lucky mascot. I think it's the choices of films that you have made. They've been bang on, and I hope this one also.
Luckily, Swami, thank you. And yes, and Sikandar, there's such like deep emotions, and there's so much genuine emotions with. There's a lot of love, there's a lot of fear, there's a lot of sadness, there's a lot of anger, everything a film requires. And it's all genuine. So that's when audience feel it. I hope so. So for this film, every day was like, it was interesting because it's not like the way she dresses up or the way she is or who she is in the film is so different from what I've done before. And also having to share the screen with SK, it's like, also it's like, when you get a scene, both the actors are sort of like doing a duet dance. You can say you're taking off each other's energy, you're learning each other's rhythm, and you're like playing with it. Mm-hmm. I feel like that was super special. I felt like that was super easy considering like it is Salman. But these are the things which I truly enjoyed while working in the film. And tomorrow I think you're going to know what I mean when you watch the film.
Also, when Salman is on the set, the actresses are very comfortable around him, when they are sharing a scene. Of course, there has to be something where you have to break the ice. How it was for you when you were on the set, and one special memory with him, while you're working?
Breaking the ice? I don't think there was any breaking the ice.
Come sit. So I tell you a good story about her. So there was this, वो बीच में ना थोड़ा सा कुछ वो जो reels जो होते हैं ना, हाँ, तो we were looking for a girl for a film. तो I just said ये लड़की बार बार आ रही है, कौन है ये लड़की? हाँ, कौन है ये लड़की? तो फिर मैंने आयुष के देखा ऐसे for अंतिम. I said this girl is the right girl for you for अंतिम. He says, "Do you know who she is?" I said, "No." I said, "This girl, I know, pata nahi kya kya karti hai social media par,
Yeah.
but she's quite endearing and very charming."
And Salman also, you know,
No, this is not making it. Making it is when you're in the industry for another 40 years. That's making it. And on that level.
That is a
And
dream
I'm
now.
telling her what, from her look, I've been thinking that when, if she ever, somebody offers a film or she becomes an actor, films, OTT or TV, she's learning from you what to say.
Really now.
no, I'm nervous actually around him always. So that's my thing.
Really?
Rashmika, give me tips. Huh?
yeah. Later we'll talk.
Later on, we'll talk on that. But Salman, coming to you also, there's this one motto which you follow, which is like "Kaam se maro." And me being a personal fan of his, you know, the reason I've joined industry and also, uske alawa, like if there is one motivational quote which you follow personally, because that is one thing which inspires people a lot.
Yeah, but I just feel that just keep on doing the right things.
Yeah.
So, and work, basically, you're happy, you should work. You're sad, you should work. You're busy, you should get busier. You're depressed, you should definitely work. You're crying, you should work. Anything happens, I think you should just work. You're broken up, you should work. You got together, you should work. Work is the only one thing that one should be doing. At least 8 to 10 to 12 hours a day. बाकी का टाइम, बाकी सब करने के लिए बहुत टाइम मिलता है. बहुत टाइम मिलता है. मुझसे पूछ लो, बहुत टाइम मिलता है. तो ये अगर 12-15 घंटे भी आप काम कर रहे हो, सोने के लिए मिलेगा, फैमिली के लिए मिलेगा, हर एक के लिए टाइम मिलेगा आपको. काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है.
And coming on that conversation, your video with Amir Khan is making the buzz all around on social
Yeah, I know.
media.
It's very sweet of Amir to
And
have
it's
done
very
it,
nice
yeah.
also. The Ghajni and Sikandar
Yeah,
coming
yeah,
together.
yeah.
You know, one is with memory loss and one has a different memory
Yeah.
altogether. Will we get to see you collaborating, you know, Andaz Apna Apna 2 or something on
hope
those
so,
lines?
Inshallah. God willing. God willing.
Okay. And lastly, you know, before I let you also go, Rashmika, the South versus Bollywood debate is happening, and of course, both have come together, and all the content creators have come together. What do you have to say on that? Because you have worked on both the sides of it.
I feel like it's my most favorite time to be in the industry, because right now we are working towards Indian film industry and not really segregate ourselves into different languages. I feel like that's great. And like, I don't know, I just find it super interesting because we're exposed to a lot more cinema, as our own. Like today I'm able to do a Hindi film and work with SK, and like, you know, and I also get to do a Pushpa or a Kubera with Dhanush sir. So it just feels like it's a very interesting time. It's very interesting sort of, because right now we're all pouring in our creativity and trying to make the best film. And yeah, I just am enjoying myself extremely.
Thank you so much for a lovely time to
You
both
are
of you.
very welcome, Samina Sheikh.
Thank you so much,
Very
sir.
welcome.